can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin THORChain, also known as RUNE, currently trading above $1.34 with a market cap of over $473 million. THORChain is down 66% over the last 1 year. But the big news is that we're currently in altcoin season, guys, and altcoin season is where altcoins see their biggest gains. Altcoin season is when we see those exit pump, and THORChain has been struggling. But over the last 1 week, we have seen renewed optimism in the altcoin market. We've seen THORChain go up by 5.7%. How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We look at THORChain's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. We look at THORChain's performance against Ethereum. Also, we'll look at THORChain's market cap. Is it possible for us to set new all-time highs? Bitcoin dominance will be dumping over the next few days in the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of THORChain? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market has seen some pumps over the last 1 week. Over the last 1 month, altcoins are starting to show signs of life. But official, when an altcoin season, you guys know what an altcoin season is. If 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, it's an alt season. An altcoin season is when you want to be seen with altcoins pumping aggressively. That's when altcoins go parabolic. If you look at THORChain's price history, from September of 2019, we saw THORChain pumping, and by the time we got to the 10th of May 2021, we have seen THORChain pump by whooping 252,000%, which means, guys, just $1,000 invested in THORChain would have returned more than $2.5 million. That's how crazy the altcoin market is. That's how volatile the altcoin markets can be. If you can buy low, you can sell high. If you buy low, you will be able to sell when some great returns back to the cryptocurrency market. But that volatility works in the opposite direction in the bear market. You see altcoins dumping aggressively to gobbling town. THORChain was not any different. We saw THORChain losing more than 96% of its value in the process. That's how it goes in the altcoin market. You can enjoy that 20,000% pump to the upside, and you can also get a 96% dump to gobbling town. But the volatility is your friend, and if you have the balls to buy when we're down deep in gobbling town, when there's fear in the market, when it looks like it's going to zero, over the years, the market will reward you. And those market participants that were smart enough to buy some THORChain when it got to as low as the $0.8 level to as high as the $1.3 region were singing kumbaya for a while. They saw their investment almost return to new all-time highs. We saw THORChain by the 11th of March 2024 pump by more than 1,300%, getting to as high as the $11 level. We'll talk about that $11 level later in the video. That $11 level has proven to be very, very difficult. We got rejected at the $11 region. And since then, THORChain has slowly dumped to gobbling town. We saw a rally in the cryptocurrency market in December of 2024. THORChain failed to get above where we traded. It traded around the $7.5 region. That was the end of the rally then. Since then, obviously, THORChain dumped to gobbling town, going back to as low as $0.94, erasing all the gains we made since the bottom came in 2023. But it begs the question, can we do the pump again? Is this time different? Guys, I believe we can do the pump again, but we'll have to blast through some key levels, and it might be a very, very dangerous journey. But historically, the altcoin market goes parabolic at the end of the market cycle. So I don't want to believe this time is different. We'll have to blast through the $2 region. Very, very important. We tried to rally above it just some weeks ago, and we got rejected. I won't be shocked if that levels prove very, very difficult. And one key level to break before that $11 region is the $7.5 level. We have seen THORChain have huge reactions at that level 2 different times since the bear market started. We've seen THORChain rally there in November of 2023, get rejected there. We saw a reaction there in May of 2024, and as late as December of 2024, we also saw a reaction there. So I won't be shocked to see THORChain find difficulties there. From where we're currently trading, THORChain will require more than a 465% pump to get there. To get to the $11 level, we'll need to see THORChain pump by around 700%, and for attempt to break to new all-time highs, more than a 1,300% pump to the upside will be required. What will the narrative be? Can we pump that high? Only time will tell. But guys, remember, you're playing the game against other market participants right here. The higher we go, the more dangerous it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. This time is not different. I've showed you how volatility is your friend. Over the long haul, yes, you can win by buying low, but always remember there was somebody that bought lower than you. There was somebody that bought deep in Goblin Town, and usually the big players are the ones that buy deep in Goblin Town. Even right now, with THORChain trading at the $1.3 level, market participants that bought in September of 2019 are still up more than 15,000%, which meant that a $1,000 investment would have still been worth $164,000. You have to think from that perspective, the perspective of the smartest player in the room, and the smartest player in the room always buys when there's fear. And look at sentiment right now in the cryptocurrency market. We have not gone to extreme greed, which is good news. Even though we're in Altseason, it doesn't feel like Altseason. Even though BNB, Ethereum, XRP, and Bitcoin are near all-time highs, it doesn't feel like that. And guys, it doesn't feel like it till we have passed it. Historically, when greed returns, that's when the sign is up. When greed returns, that's when you want to be running for the hills. THORChain's market cap sits around the 500, and THORChain's market cap actually sits at $472 million. It's fully diluted market cap that sits at $572 million. The all-time high came in on the 19th of May 2021. It got to as high as $21. Right now, it's down 93% from its all-time highs. If you look at THORChain's performance, it's doing well. THORChain is a decentralized liquidity protocol that allows users to easily exchange cryptocurrency assets across a range of networks, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, without losing full custody of their assets in the process. THORChain is used as a cross-chain infrastructure for wallets, exchanges, and aggregator like Trust Wallet and Ledger Live. Where can you get some THORChain for yourself? You can get some THORChain on Binance, on Bybit, on BitGet, on Mexi, on Gate. You can get your THORChain anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. If you look at THORChain's performance against Ethereum, it's been shedding a lot of weight since April of 2021. It's been dumping aggressively to Goblin Town, losing 96% of its value in the process. But guys, historically, all coins dump in the market is bearish, but when we see the market getting bullish, we see aggressive pumps for all coins against Ethereum and against Bitcoin. We've seen THORChain do that in the past, outperforming Ethereum by more than 12,000% in 560 days. We saw a pump again in 2023. This time around, THORChain outperformed Ethereum by 565%. But you never want to say never, but you always remember that the higher we go, the more dangerous it becomes. The lower we go, the safer it becomes. But we can always go lower than that. Goblin Town is always hard. Market participants, like you thought the bottom was here. No, let's rally, deceive everybody, and let's set a new low, 25% lower. That's how volatile altcoin markets can be. But if you are willing to stay long, then you can catch those huge pumps to the upside. A 200 to 500% pump is always possible for THORChain against Ethereum. If you look at THORChain's market cap, it's sitting around the $473 million level. For us to rally back where we were in December of 2024, we need to see it go back to $2.5 billion. And for us to go back to where it was trading in March of 2024, we need to see THORChain's market cap get to as high as $3.7 billion, which is possible. They never want to say never in the cryptocurrency market, but you can see there's some heavy resistance. The previous all-time high for the market cap sits at $4.8 billion. That was in 2021. For THORChain to go back to set new all-time highs, it will require a 965% pump to the all-time highs from where we're currently trading. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more THORChain right now? How high do you see THORChain tokens going in the coming days and the coming weeks? And when will you be selling for some sweet profits? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.